is Nightline.
Man overboard. Dramatic rescue caught on camera. How eyewitnesses spotted and helped save a man who fell off one of the biggest cruise ships on Earth. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. Tonight, a heroic rescue was caught on camera. A man is saved after going overboard one of the largest cruise ships in the world. We hear from the witnesses who helped him to safety. And this isn't the first time someone has fallen off a cruise ship. ABC's Cecilia Vega takes a closer look.
Kirby still can't say exactly why she fell, but she is suing. Her lawyer, Michael Winkleman, says the ship should have saved her sooner.
The vessel should have been stopped. They should have been throwing life rings overboard so that she could have grabbed onto one, and they should have immediately gone and looked at the video.
In a statement to ABC News, Carnival Cruise Line said the suit claims are completely unsupported and contradicted by the evidence in the case. The case is still pending.